Bounce house! Bounce house! Bounce house! Bounce house! Should I go in the bounce house?
No.
Why not?
You can pop it.
I'm not gonna pop the bounce house. Are you ready?
Yeah!
What's that in your hand? Fireworks? Where's your tomatoes, honey?
3 big ones.
Look at that big one.
Oh, wow, look at that big old tomato.
There's 2.
Big one. There's 3 big ones.
Oh, yeah, there's 2 growing right here.
2 little ones right there.
And we're gonna have wherever these flowers are. And then our this one I planted from seed. So
This was a seed?
Yeah, this
Good
was a
job.
So this one's starting to.
Hey, Moosey. Hey, Moosey. How's your blueberry bush?
Nothing yet, but it's not dying.
It looks like we have a lot of eggs. Look at all them clear eggs. Hot tamales? It's hot today. We're here.
Yeah!
You ready? Bounce house! Bounce house! Bounce house! Bounce house! Should I go in the bounce house?
No.
Why not?
You can pop it.
I'm not gonna pop the bounce house. That was rude. You gotta put your bracelet on. All right, you gotta keep that on, okay? Let me see your bracelet.
Where would you like me to put your spider? Right there? I'm gonna make it nice and shiny on your arm so that it looks really good. Now, what color would you like your spider?
I'm blue.
You want a blue spider?
Look at that, bud.
Yep.
You like it?
You make a laser noise and go.
Do it. Is that your best laser noise? Look at that.
Yeah.
You hold it by the handle right here, like this. There's no cheese. There you go, buddy.
Yummy.
Got it?
Yep.
All right. You ready? Cheers.
That tastes good.
Woo! Popcorn, kettle corn, homemade kettle
You
corn.
and Dad get one and I get the other.
No. The family gets one and I get one.
I'm Spider-Man.
You're Spider-Man? There's dead Spider-Man.
Watch how we can take the
Well, we're back from the fair. Hey, what's the popcorn?
I'll just eat it. Oh, here.
You want some popcorn? My wife is putting me to work again. If you don't build this greenhouse now, we've had it for over a couple months, I'm leaving. Right? So we're gonna build this greenhouse we bought off of Amazon. How long ago did we buy this? It's gonna look perfectly, amazingly like that one. Hey, Moosey. I see you too, Noodles. I see you too. Hey, Moosey. Owls. Good morning. Quails. First things first is we gotta move all this crap over there and weed whack. Yeah, here, I'll open it for you.
Oh, it's a bed.
What's the house for? It's your new house.
Mine?
Yeah, you're gonna live in the new house.
No!
You don't want to live in the new house?
No, Indian.
Oh, Evie is?
Mom, is it really a house?
For plants.
It's a house for plants, bud.
You're so
Come on, Eves. All right, bud. You take the instructions, which are that. Throw them away. Good job. These ones, let's separate them out. Good job, Evie. Big ones over here, little ones over where you put them, okay? Good job. All right, we might need the instructions. Remember, don't actually throw them away. So the first thing we have to do is that, okay? Start designing that. Go ahead.
What is it?
It's like Minecraft. Do that.
No, you do it.
Okay.
I'll help you out.
You'll help me out? Perfect. Let me help you out, Eve. All right, now put them all together right down here. Oh, the moosies.
Right here?
Yeah, put them right there. It's perfect.
Dump it out.
All right.
What the heck is in there?
What the heck?
That was small.
You want to connect this one on top of that?
Yeah, okay. Like that.
Perfect. Okay. What are you looking for? Are you gonna put one on there?
I'm putting it on there.
Good job. Like that. Perfect. Good job, buddy. And then we're gonna put that together with this one. Wanna put them together? There you go. Good job. High five.
We still have to do the
Yeah,
bottom.
we got a lot left, huh?
Yeah, we got.
I knew my investment in him would pay off sooner or later. Right? Now you're gonna connect one of these. Here, take one. There you go. And where do you think that goes?
Right here.
Yep.
Right here.
Yep. Working out here, huh? You need a water break?
Here.
Oh, you want me to open it for you? Whew. Cheers. Ah, my eyebrows are sweating. You sweating yet? Oh, I'm glistening in the sun.
Okay. Like this.
Moosey, watch out. Moosey, woo. All right, put it on there.
Like this. Like this.
Yep. Good job. Now, there you go. Good job, buddy. Put it in here. Yeah, right there.
I got one.
What, are you guys hot or something out here? Huh? The three amigos? You want to crawl underneath too? Good job. High five. All these in. I gotta tie these on inside, and I think we're done.
Ew, I just kissed the worm.
Don't quit.
How do you like it?
I like it.
You like it?
Yeah, we'll take a
Then we'll
ride.
zip tie these on
I'll go home.
so that they don't fall off.
Oh,
Look at her. She's all done.
you didn't come and say? Oh, Phoebe?
She's all done. Go in there, buddy. Do a dance. How you guys? You guys liking your new spot? You guys like your new spot? You guys need some more food? Put your eggies up here so they wouldn't crack. This looks like a good spot now. Alrighty. The Amazon greenhouse for you. It works for a temporary little fencing and home and blueberries. Well, that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and we'll see you guys on the next episode of Chapman's Family Farms. Bye. Say bye.
Bye.